Good morning, downtown.
Morning, Josh. Morning, everyone.
Do you have both of our defendants?
Josh, I was just notified by the officers working the female floor. Bradley Jessica. She's been somewhat combative today. We did talk to her and she wants to participate. She wants to come out for court, but I don't know how she's gonna be behaving.
Okay.
Let me get her right away.
All right. Okay. Mr. Abelar.
Hi, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Toronto.
We were just informed that your client is combative this morning.
Judge, I am not surprised, to say the least.
Okay. She does want to go through with the hearing, so they're going to go check and see if they can bring her out.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Can you close the door? Thank you so much.
Does she have mental health issues?
I'm not sure. I haven't been able to communicate with her because of those exact issues.
Okay.
At the last hearing we were at Jail Mag, and the judge was a little upset. And that's on a good day. I am not sure what else to do. I also lean toward mental health issues or assessments because they seem to be the same offenses.
Okay.
So that's where I'm leaning towards, Your Honor. In fact, Judge, she was released on a PR bond that last hearing.
Hold on, I don't want to have it on.
You want to?
I want it on.
Okay, let me pull it up.
Just pull it down, around my neck like a necklace.
All right.
Thank you.
Keep in mind, they can see you, they can
Yes,
hear
I
you.
am. Hello,
All right.
good morning.
Good morning. Court calls the case of the state of Texas versus Jessica Bardsley, cause number 2022-0C02734. Let me do the admonishments here.
What's the charges?
This proceeding is being heard.
Hold
in
on, Ms.
reference to
Bardsley.
and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council Judge's statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Hunter Griffin for the state. The state is ready.
Daniel Avelar for Jessica Bardsley.
You are Jessica Bardsley?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Jessica Eve Bardsley.
Raise your right hand, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm handcuffed behind my back.
Okay. Solemnly swear a firm testimony.
Ma'am, I would like to
truth.
swear with my right hand in the air, please. If I may ask the officer, can you uncuff me, sir? I would like to swear under oath.
Okay.
And I need to raise my right hand, if that's okay. Is that okay with everybody? Is that okay? Thank you, sir. You can just take out the one, that's fine.
Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do, amen.
All right, we're here on a bond reduction, Ms. Bardsley. What do you have, Mr. Avalad?
Judge, thank you, Judge, Your Honor. Ms. Bardsley was rearrested on or about July 14th, 2022, Judge, for an alleged, I believe it's a criminal trespass, Your Honor. Your Honor, she was released on a PR bond back in June, I think, or early July, when I represented her at the jail magistrate for a bond hearing, Your Honor. And I think the circumstances of the new case were that of going to an apartment she thought that she was entitled to be at, Your Honor. Judge, we are appointed counsel. I don't think she has the means or funds to meet any bond, really, Your Honor. And she has been in custody for, I think, going on a week and a half. We are asking, Your Honor, for a PR bond.
Where do you currently reside, Ms. Bardsley?
I have a non-disclosure order.
Do you have an address?
Yes, I do. But I also have a non-disclosure order.
That non-disclosure order doesn't apply to any bond reductions, ma'am.
Okay. My address, what? 9801 White. Apartment 96. Actually, it's Blanco. I'm sorry, it's Blanco. I just moved because I was evicted from my apartment.
And what do you do for a living, Ms. Bardsley?
I'm not currently working, but I am seeking employment with IGS and also with Walmart.
When was the last time that you worked?
It has been quite some time.
More than a year?
No, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Griffin, do you have anything?
Yes, I'll defer as on the bond reduction to you, Your Honor, but I'd just like to let you know her criminal history. She currently has some cases she picked up on May 12th. It's 2 criminal trespasses of habitation, as well as 2 assaults causes bodily injury. These cases are still in P file and they have not been presented to our office, and I am unable to let you know of any facts on those cases. She also has a fail to identify picked up on September 2nd and related to a burglary of vehicle that also hasn't been presented.
I also saw an ag assault in the possession of a controlled substance and a burglary of vehicle. Are those still in P files?
Are you talking about the ag assault from 2003?
I don't know. It showed up as a pending case on the pretrial risk assessment.
I see that the ag assault was dismissed back in on 2006.
Okay. I am going to grant a PR bond this one last time, Ms. Bardsley. One of the conditions is that you contact EHN or they contact you. And if they assess you as needing treatment, you participate in that treatment. That doesn't get done, a warrant for your arrest will be issued and you will not be placed on PR bond again. You have any violation, some of the conditions of your PR bond will be to report to PR bonds, whether they decide that be by phone or in person. You commit no new offenses. There'll be a curfew where you can't be out after a certain hour or before a certain hour. That you make all court appearances and that you notify PR bonds or CJC of your contact information and keep them updated. You violate any of those conditions, there will be a warrant for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. I just have one question.
Yes, ma'am.
May I go to La Paz instead of EHN? I'll still have to fill my prescriptions at EHN, but I would prefer to go to La Paz. If not, I will do what you say, Your Honor.
I need you to get screened through EHN and then we'll see what they recommend from there.
I believe I can get screened at La Paz, but I will do whatever you say, Your Honor. Thank you. God bless you.
All right, thank you. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense.
All right, you may be excused. May I have Ms. Sheets, please?
We take you right back to your cell. Come on.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Sullivan.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Just waiting for your client.
She's in custody, Judge?
Right,
Okay,
they went to get her.
thank you.
Uh-huh.
Can see you, they can hear you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Court calls a case of the state of Texas versus Ashley Sheets, cause number 2020-0C07220. Go.
This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency.
Oops.
This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus.
May I have announcement of counsel?
Under Griffin for the state is ready.
Chris Sullivan for the defense, Your Honor. We're ready.
You are Ashley Sheets.
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help me God.
All right. What do you have, Mr. Sullivan?
Yes, so Your Honor, I've been representing Ms. Sheets for over a year now. However, she was recently indicted on an injury to a child case, and her co-defendant is someone who our office has represented for a long time as well, and in fact, longer and on more serious charges. So there is a first-degree injury to a child case where both Ms. Sheets and her, I guess, ex-boyfriend were both indicted, and that individual also has a separate assault of a pregnant person charge where Ms. Sheets is the complaining witness. And so I discussed these issues with my chief, and based on our office's longer relationship representing the co-defendant and on more serious charges, the office asked me to withdraw on Ms. Sheets' cases. I did file motions to withdraw in the 205th on her felony cases. And those were granted, and Denise Butterworth was appointed as her attorney on those cases. But essentially, Judge, just because of the nature of especially the nature of the charge of an injury to a child case, where in these sorts of circumstances, a lot of times the state they file by act or omission because they're not always entirely certain what happened. But we do have co-defendants here on first-degree felonies, and our office is planning to continue to represent her co-defendant, who is also has that other case where she is the complaining witness. Essentially, the public defender's office does not believe we can continue to represent both clients at this time, Judge.
All right. Ms. Sheets, do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, at this time, the court will grant your motion, Mr. Sullivan. We're going to appoint Ms. Butterworth on this case as well, Ms. Sheets, so that she can handle all of your cases together. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Then you may be excused. If my people will stay on for a moment, everybody else may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, downtown.
Not a problem.
Did you want me to be excused, Judge?
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. We're done for the day. Is that correct?
We are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Anything up, people?
Me,
I don't, no, Judge, I'm good. Thank you.
me,
Okay.
I always do. Mr. Venegas just called and he said that he missed his hearing. And I said, yes, we're going to set you for an in-person. He said he tested positive for COVID yesterday. Am I okay to set him 2 weeks out?
Yes.
And then, on Miss Sullivan's case, public defenders is next. Is there another attorney you wanted? Or is-
No, that's fine. Public defenders is fine.
Okay.
That's usually who I'll appoint if somebody gets off a case.
Okay.
And they've been on it for a while. We just put them on there. That way it doesn't cost anything extra.
Okay.
On Miss Sheets, it'll be Miss Butterworth. So hopefully that can get wrapped up. What is Miss Sheets' case set for other than this motion to withdraw?
Let me see if she's on the jury trial track one. Yes, Judge, she is on the jury trial track on the next round to be set.
Okay,
At the very
let's hold off on setting her a little bit so we can
Okay.
give Miss Butterworth some time to work on the felony.
Okay.
And then we'll get back to this.
Okay.
Anything else? Nothing?
We're down to 6 for tomorrow.
Okay,
And 2 of them, plea documents have been sent out. So I
2
believe
of the 6 or 2?
2 of the 6,
Okay, so we're down to 4.
4,
Okay, that's good. We'll see.
yes.
We
And-
will see.
And the contested revocations have been turned into plea of truths, and he'll be pleading on his open case with us.
Okay.
Oh,
Sound-
and Judge, plea papers were also requested on Mr. Mr. Fernandez, who was set today, but he had a ICE hold and they waived the,
Oh,
so they requested plea papers on him yesterday.
okay, good.
Okay,
Good. Let's see if we can squeeze out any more pleas in July. If not, then let's try to get it packed in for August.
I have reached out to Mr. Solis also. He also has a defendant in custody on an ICE hold. So I reached out to him asking if he would like a plea hearing set or
See what he wants to do on.
yes.
Okay,
And
is
then
that the only thing he's booked on, or does he have? some-
Yes, that's
Oh.
it. And then on the case that Mr. Grajeda is going to plea on remotely, did you want me to push that 2 weeks to see if we can get more remote, please? I'm not
Sure.
really sure. If we'll
Yeah,
get
that's the
more-
only one we have for next week. Then let's push it out another week and see if
Okay.
we can't get
Get more.
some more.
Understood.
Okay, then I guess we'll see you all tomorrow. What time do we start?
10.
10, okay.
Yes.
I'll try to be there earlier. So we will see you all tomorrow. Have a good